Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel at home. First, measure out your sugar and water precisely. Place your heavy-bottomed saucepan on the stove. Having everything ready prevents rushing later. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and successful caramel making experience. Remember, good mise en place is key for any kitchen endeavor. Now, combine the sugar and water in your saucepan. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It is crucial to ensure no sugar remains undissolved. Once the mixture starts boiling, stop stirring completely. This prevents crystallization and helps achieve that perfect smooth texture. If you are finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you are looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Continue cooking the syrup without stirring. You will see it transform from clear to a beautiful golden, then a rich amber color. This takes about 8 to 12 minutes. Be vigilant, as it can burn quickly. Once it reaches the desired amber, remove it from the heat and carefully whisk in the butter and warm heavy cream.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.